Alright guys, it's Chris back again with another how-to video for the 2009 Pontiac G8 V6. Today I'm going to be installing an over-the-rad intake, the Orison Performance one. We've got it right here, bought it used, so everything is here. I'm going to get at it. Right now I currently have the K&N system on. I'll be removing that, then showing you guys what the stock system looks like and basically going from the stock system and installing the over-the-rad one from there. Basically, to remove my K&N system, I'll have to remove this bolt here, it's 5/16, and let it pop off there. Unplug this hose, and unplug the sensor here, which is our mass airflow sensor, and take that out too. So, get at it. Right, I've removed the K&N system. Basically, just have to pull it off the throttle body. Then it was a 7/16 nut right here and a 3/8 right there, so we can go ahead and throw on the OTR. I'll show you the stock one first. Well, I tried to remember how this stock intake goes on, but for the life of me I cannot remember. It's been probably 3 or 4 years since I took this off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the OTR one on, but you guys get the basic idea. It's really easy to take off from what I remember, so yeah. Basically, the only thing I had to take off of the K&N system was the mass airflow sensor, so we can put it on the new intake. You can run MAFless with it, but I can't remember if I need a tune to get it retuned or not in order to run without the mass airflow sensor. Okay, now it's time to put together the intake itself. Comes this base, basically bottom of it actually. The filter just go in there like so, and then this part just comes over top. Basically we'll screw down with the provided screws, so fairly easy. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is put these little speed clips on. This angle part will go down. They just attach, just slip on right there, one in the middle, so one right here, plate. Well, I got it loosely on now, just gotta throw a clamp on here. It was a little bit of a tricky, just because I do have the manifold insulators, if you can see them on there. So right now I just gotta put a hose clamp on here, hook everything kind of up. So I'll have to oh shit. This will have to bend to fit onto there, then the MAF will just plug in over there, down there. And a few more things to do before we can start it. Right, I have the intake on. Just a little note, this is going to be really tricky to get on if you do have the manifold insulators. Try to get the bottom on first, then the top. This all just screws on here. I had to use a little bolt here because I somehow managed to lose a screw. And then here, the pod. Then next step, you'll see my other camera here I'm using, will be to trim from here to here, so the intake will be able to breathe and suck in air when the hood is closed. And that's pretty much the only thing I got left. Then I can start it up. Notice when you pull this off, there's little green clips that go in all the way along. So I'm just going to cut it as close to this final one I can with a pair of tin steps, and then it should be good to go. It's like that on both sides, so don't have to worry about. If you do go to another system, you can just plug this back in. It does look really good. It makes the hood, when you open it up, look even meaner. Really like the looks of it. Fairly easy install, just a few things that could have did a little bit better. I think they're provided, one problem I did run into was they're provided, I guess, thing for the MAF. Ours is rectangular, there's a circle for some reason. Not too sure why, but yeah, I just used the stock MAF, so that shouldn't have to get a retune or anything, and it should be good to go. Everything seems to be going good. Boss note seems to almost deepen. not really sure where it's coming from. I think it's from intake, but good from the last project, so yeah. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of what's next too. I just picked up this beauty today. 6,500 kilometers on it. Is this big old beast. 345 LSD. Probably have it on in maybe a couple weekends or so. Just gotta make sure I got everything here to do it. If you guys like what you see, like and subscribe, and I'll keep on putting up more videos. Thanks.